Hello, and welcome to the How It Works series from Servers.com. Today, we'll be showing you how to create a Linux-based cloud server with password access. The first step is to create your cloud server in your Servers.com customer portal. Open your browser and log into the portal. Once you're in the main menu, click on the Cloud Servers drop-down on the left-hand side of the screen, where you'll find the Create and Manage section. Click the Create Server button at the top right of the screen to see a list of options for the cloud server. Select the location, Linux distribution, and configuration for your new cloud server. Scrolling down, under Authentication method, select Password. You can also enable the Automatic Backups feature to save backing up your cloud data manually, and you can add a public IPv6 address for extended network options. The final step is to enter your cloud server's name and click Create Cloud Server at the bottom of the page. Once the server has been provisioned, an email with a password to access the server will be sent to the primary and technical contacts of your account. Now that you have set up your cloud server, you can connect to your new Linux-based cloud server with the password from your email. Open the email and copy the public IPv4 address, which you can find under Cloud Server Details. Now, open your terminal app, type in SSH root at. Paste the IPv4 address you copied from the email and press Enter. When the system asks you to enter the password, copy it from your email, paste it into the terminal and hit Enter again. When you log in for the first time, the system will ask for a password change. Enter a new password and retype it to confirm. When the password is changed, the server is ready to go. And that's it. If you have any questions or queries, visit the support page on our website at servers.com/company/support. And don't forget to subscribe for upcoming videos in the How It Works series from Servers.com. Thanks for watching.